Hello, good morning to you all. Today we'll see how we can download Google Chrome on laptop or PC, and this is on Windows 11 laptop. The procedure will be similar on Windows 10. Whether it is Windows 10 or 11 or anything, the process is similar. So I have Microsoft Edge browser pre-installed on this computer. So I'll use this browser to download Google Chrome first. So I can directly double click on it. If you don't have a desktop shortcut for that, you can use the search also. Anywhere you will find this Microsoft Edge browser. Okay, I'll just double click on this, so this will open Microsoft Edge browser. Here I'll just search through google.com, and on google.com I'll show you as, see here, without me downloading it, it already saying switch to Google Chrome. Instead I'll download here from search Chrome download. I'll just search like this, Chrome download. So you need to click on this link. So this is the link what you need to browse through, and here you will get the direct option to get the download. If you want this link, I'll drop in the description. You can go through that. Okay, click on download for Windows 11 and 64-bit. My operating system is 64-bit, so it is directly recommending me to download this. You need to tap on this. Yeah, click on download Chrome again, accept and install. See here, .exe file which is 8.3 MB is already downloaded. I'll just click on open file here. I'll just make it the option S. I want to install this program on my computer. So the installation process is started. So it is downloading the dependencies. Chrome is downloading the other dependencies, and it will get installed, and within very few minutes Chrome will be installed on my Windows 11 computer. The procedure will be same on Windows 10 too. See here, once the download is complete, it is saying that Chrome is being installed on my computer laptop. Look at here, once the installation is done, automatically the Chrome browser pop up on my computer. Without me opening anything, it has been opened, and now I can use this Chrome. Okay. So if you like this video tutorial, just hit a like for me, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.